Hello everyone, Hardeep here from This Week in AI with yet another bullet AI hack. We all use ChatGPT and Gemini nowadays. Every time you use an LLM, you have to give it a prompt. For normal use cases, it is sufficient. What's the currency in France? This much is sufficient. But what if there are repetitive tasks that you need to do, and you need to have a very well structured prompt for it, because the quality of your prompt will give you will result in a quality response as well. We all know that, right? That's why prompt engineering is so prevalent nowadays. So how do we do that? One of the ways is we look at all the prompt resources that we have listed here, read through all of them, and then generate a prompt that can really help you excel at prompt engineering. But if you find yourself low on time, the other way is that you can use the LLMs to generate those prompts that the LLMs themselves understand. And again, it is for repetitive tasks, it is for tasks where the quality of response really matters. And these are things that you want to have a tone, a finesse of your own in them. So here's another way that you can do it. We are on a free version of Gemini. No paid subscription needed. I give it a prompt, generate a prompt to update the comprehension of text, to factually correct the information in a given text, and to improve the structure of it while maintaining the tone and soul of the text. This is supposed to be this text is supposed to be posted on LinkedIn, and we want to structure it for maximum interaction and virality. And we press enter, and it has given you a prompt. So how do you use it? The next time you have an idea for a post, just copy this prompt, paste it over here, and in the section wherein you are supposed to add your draft, just copy your draft. And the draft that I have put is about freelancing might be a new full-time opportunity. AI is making things faster, and just let it take over. And wow, this is how you can use an LLM to generate prompt that then gives you an entire post based on the prompt. I hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.